Welcome to Lesson Binary and Hexadecimal Numbers. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamental concepts of binary and hexadecimal numbers. These number systems are essential in computer science and digital systems. Understanding them will provide a strong foundation for working with computer systems and low-level programming. Let's dive in. Introduction to binary and hexadecimal numbers. Binary and hexadecimal numbers are fundamental in computer science. Binary numbers are base 2 and consist of zeros and ones, representing off and on states. Hexadecimal numbers are base 16 and use digits 0 to 9 in letters, A to F to represent values. These number systems are widely used in computer systems, digital electronics, and programming. Understanding binary and hexadecimal numbers is crucial for working with data representation and manipulation at a low level. Introduction to binary numbers. Conversion between binary and decimal. Binary numbers are composed of zeros and ones, representing different powers of 2. Converting binary to decimal involves multiplying each bit by the corresponding power of 2 and summing them. Converting decimal to binary involves dividing the decimal number by 2 repeatedly and noting the remainders. Binary arithmetic. Addition. Subtraction. Binary addition involves adding each pair of bits with carryover if the sum is greater than 1. Binary subtraction follows similar rules to decimal subtraction, with borrowing if needed. Introduction to hexadecimal numbers. Conversion between hexadecimal and decimal/binary. Hexadecimal numbers use base 16 and digits 0 to 9 in letters, A to F to represent values. To convert a hexadecimal number to decimal, multiply each digit by the corresponding power of 16 and sum them. To convert a decimal number to hexadecimal, divide the decimal number by 16 repeatedly, recording the remainders. Hexadecimal arithmetic. Hexadecimal addition and subtraction follow similar rules to binary and decimal arithmetic. Each digit is added or subtracted, with carryover and borrowing as needed. We hope you found this lesson on binary and hexadecimal numbers informative and engaging. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to like this video and share it with others who may benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications about future lessons and updates. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with our educational content and be notified whenever we release new videos. Thank you for joining us in this lesson, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.